If you're wondering how to provide white label customer support with Vendasta, you're in the right place. Stick around, because I'm about to break down exactly how you can leverage Vendasta's platform to offer top tier customer service under your own brand, even if you're just starting out. But first, if you're interested in trying out Vendasta for free, check the first link below. You'll also get some exclusive bonuses that you won't find anywhere else. So let's dive into it. The first thing to know about Vendasta is that it's a powerful platform designed for agencies and businesses looking to offer a wide range of services under their own brand. This means you can provide white label customer support, meaning you can use their software to help your clients without them even knowing you're using Vendasta behind the scenes. It's all about creating a seamless experience that's fully branded to you. Next thing, the customer support tools Vendasta offers are incredibly robust. You get everything from live chat support to email and ticketing systems, all customizable to fit your brand. These tools allow you to stay on top of customer issues in real time, respond quickly, and manage multiple clients without breaking a sweat. The third thing you need to know is the scalability. Whether you're working with a handful of clients or hundreds, Vendasta's platform grows with you. You can handle as much or as little as you want, and since it's white label, you can scale up your support services without worrying about overextending your team. The platform's design allows you to automate many processes, reducing the need for manual intervention and streamlining the entire customer support experience. Now, let's talk about integrations. Vendasta integrates seamlessly with other popular tools, which is essential for providing a smooth customer service experience. You can connect Vendasta with CRM systems, marketing platforms, and much more, making it easy to keep all your client interactions in one place. No more jumping between platforms or juggling different tools. And of course, the platform also offers comprehensive reporting features. You'll get insights into your customer support performance, allowing you to make data-driven decisions about how to improve your service. These reports are key for agencies looking to prove value to their clients and show them exactly how their support is making a difference. Lastly, a big perk of using Vendasta for white label customer support is the training and resources they provide. They have a range of tutorials and support articles that help you get the most out of their platform. This makes it easier to set up your services and ensure you're providing top-tier support from day one. Before we wrap up, remember, if you're interested in trying Vendasta for yourself, check the link in the description below. You'll get an exclusive and extended free trial, so you can test everything out and see just how powerful the platform is for offering white label customer support. So, to recap, Vendasta lets you offer seamless, scalable, and fully branded customer support, backed by integrations, automation, and reporting tools that make it easy to deliver top-notch service. Don't forget to check out the link below for your exclusive free trial and bonuses.